Hello once again, people. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. We meet once again. In this video, we want to look at quadratic equations. On this example here on the chalkboard, I have an example which says find the equation of a quadratic function in the form of f of x is equal to ax squared plus q. Right, so generally this is my quadratic expression or my quadratic graph written on a Cartesian plane, x-axis and y-axis. I do have some information that is given. I have point 1 and 6 here. Very important to take note of this point. I also have other coordinates on the x-axis, -2 here and +2 that side. Now, the equation is given in this form: y is equal to a brackets x minus 1 x minus 2. So what is important here is there are important things that we need to find out. We need to find the gradient, okay, and we also need to substitute the point into the given. Those are the two most important things that we need to do. We substitute the given points and also the gradient. So let's, without wasting any time, let's go straight into it. We have y is equal to, first things first, I'm going to take this point here. I'll write my a as it is and my x. I'm going to take either this point or that point. So I can start with this one, that's x minus x1, that's a -2, close my bracket, open this bracket, I've got x minus, then I'll take another x which is a +2 like that and close my bracket. So this gives me, takes me to y is equal to a, x minus -2 is going to be x plus 2, and then this bracket here is straightforward, x minus 2. So I do have x plus 2, x minus 2 in those brackets. From here, I can simplify the following, or I can even say, I can come here to say y is equal to a. If I simplify this bracket, which is a difference of 2 squares, I'll have x squared minus 4, because x times x is x squared, x times that is minus 2x plus 2x minus 4x squared. So I have y is equal to a, x squared minus 4. Now I'm going to take this point here and substitute into our equation. We know that this point is representing the x value and that one is representing the y value. So the y value is -6. I'll come here to say 6, because that is the y here, is equal to a. Then this one, x is 1. It's 1 squared minus 4. So 6 is equal to a. 1 minus 4 is a -3. So 6 is equal to -3a. If I divide by -3, I divide by -3, the value of a is equal to -2. So we now have what a is standing for. We now know that a is equal to -2. So we can further rearrange this by using our -2 into our equation, which now becomes y is equal to, in place of writing an a, we know that a is -2x plus 2 x minus 3. And then from here we can go ahead to say y is equal to -2. We realize that this one is a difference of 2 squares. Pardon me for this expression, this was not supposed to be -3, it is actually a -2. So this x times x is x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. This is -2x squared minus 2x plus 2x, that's 0, minus 4. This simplifies to I multiply this negative times that, it's minus 2x squared, and then minus 2 times minus 4, that's a plus 8. So that is it, or we have our function, or the equation that we're trying to look for is y is equal to minus 2x squared plus 8. So in other words, it means that if we look at the basics, we once mentioned that the basic graph, the mother graph of a quadratic expression is like that, which I'm supposed to write in dotted lines like that. So what does this mean? It means that when I have a negative graph, it means it's a sad face. The graph is supposed to be like that. That is what negative means. These two, it means the graph is actually shifted closer to the y-axis, like that, towards. And then plus 8, it means I'm shifting this graph 8 units upwards to where there's an 8. That's where I take this graph. That's a maximum point because our graph is a side verse. It has got a maximum. So I'm taking the maximum point 8 units upwards. Like that. So there's our graph. And then this graph cuts the x-axis. How do we realize that? It cuts the x-axis at minus 2 and minus 4. How do we find that? You can equate that to 0. But the point here in this case, we're just trying to find the equation. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it, and please show some love. Please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more. Bye.